Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I am really sorry I couldn't upload videos for last few days because of I am facing some health issues. Now I am feeling better and thank you so much for your patience and support. So today I am back with today current affairs. Explained in simple and exam oriented way which will be very useful for SSC, UPSC, banking and state exams also. Let's start the video. In this video, we will cover national current affairs, international news, economics, science and technology and sports also. These topics are very important for competitive exams and interviews. First, the Government of India launched Digital Governance Initiative. The main aim of this initiative to make governance paperless, transparent and faster. Under this program, AI-based system will be used to solve public complaints and citizens will get service in less time. The initiative is handled by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, also known as MEITY. For the exam point of view, remember the keywords Digital India, e-governance and transparency. Okay. Our next topic is Indian Railways. Indian Railways has introduced energy efficient electric trains. These trains consume less power and help in reducing carbon emissions. This step supports India's long-term goal of achieving net zero carbon emissions by 2070. This topic under the environment, transportation and government reforms. Okay. Our next topic is RBI digital payment. Okay. The Reserve Bank of India, also known as RBI, has released new guidelines for digital payments. According to these rules, digital transaction will have stronger OTP security and AI-based fraud detection system. The main reason of these guidelines is the increase in online payment frauds. Okay. For exam point of view, RBI is the regular of digital payments in India. Okay. Our next topic is ASEAN relation. Okay. India has strengthened its relation with ASEAN countries by participating in high-level meetings. The main focus area are trade, maritime, security, and Indo-Pacific cooperation. ASEAN has 10 members countries, and it is located in Southeast Asia. The topic is important for international relation and foreign policy. Okay. And our sixth, the United Nations Government's Program and also called UNEP released a global climate report. According to the report, 2025 is among the hottest year record. The report highlights the urgent need to control climate changes. India effort in renewable energy and climate action were also be mentioned. And our next topic is economy. Okay. International agencies like IMF and World Bank have stated that India's GDP growth outlook remains strong. The main growth of drivers are infrastructure development and digital economy and startups. However, these challenges like inflation and global slowdown still exist. This topic is very important for Indian economic questions. Okay. And our next topic is RLV. Okay. India has successfully completed important testing of reusable launched vehicle, also known as RLV. The main aim of this project is to reduce cost of space missions and increase launch efficiency. Remember, ISRO headquarters located in Bangalore. Okay. And our next topic is sports. Indian athletes are performing very well in international sports events. India has achieved success in cricket, badminton, and athletics, which improves the country global image. Sports current affairs are also often asked as one mark question. Okay, and let quickly revise some important one-liners. Digital India was launched in 2015. RBI regulates India banking system. Okay, Asian countries has 10 member of countries, and ISRO headquarters was located in Bangalore. And India is net zero target year in 2070. Sorry, and mm, and our next topic, multiple choice question. First one is, who issues digital payment guidelines in India? The answer is, first one is RBI, second one is SBI, and third one is World Bank. Okay, and Asian is located in which region? Option A, Southeast Asia. Option B, Northeast Asia. Option C, Southwest Asia. And that's it for today, guys. And if you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe this channel. I will uploading video regularly from now. Thanks for watching and all the best for future exams.